In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit scheduled posts on LinkedIn. If you've ever queued up a post and later needed to polish the text, add a photo, or change when it goes live, this simple process will help you make those updates with confidence. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. You'll land on your LinkedIn homepage, the feed where you see posts from your connections and the pages you follow. This is your starting point for creating and managing posts. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Post button in the middle. This opens the Post Composer, the place where you write captions and attach media. At the top right, tap the Schedule icon. That brings up the scheduling panel where you can choose the date and time for a post to publish. If you want to review everything you've already scheduled, tap View All. This shows a list of all your upcoming scheduled posts so you can quickly find the one you want to adjust. From this list, select the post you want to change. In the top right of that post, tap the three dots. You'll see options to modify the schedule or edit the post itself. Choose Edit Post to open the editor. Now you can update the content however you like. Refine your text to improve clarity, correct typos, or add hashtags. You can also attach a photo if it makes your message more engaging. Keep your changes aligned with the original intent of the post so it remains clear and relevant to your audience. If you also need to change when the post goes live, tap Edit at the top. Pick the new date and time, then tap Next to confirm. Take a moment to double-check the timing, especially if you work across time zones or have an ideal window when your audience is most active. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in visibility and engagement. Your changes are now applied. When everything looks good, tap Schedule at the top right to save. This updates both the content and the published time, and your post will remain in the scheduled queue until it goes out automatically. If you want extra reassurance, you can return to View All to confirm the updated details. And that's it, an easy, reliable way to edit your scheduled posts on LinkedIn without starting from scratch. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.